Assembling and disassembling your KitchenAid tilt head stand mixer is simple when you follow these easy steps. To attach a bowl, first slide the control knob to the off setting, making sure the power cord is unplugged, or that your power supply is off. Then raise the tilt head into the upright position, fit the bottom of your bowl onto the clamping plate, and turn gently in a clockwise direction. To detach a stand mixer bowl after use, follow these simple steps. Turn the speed control knob to off, unplug the mixer from its power supply, raise the tilt head, turn counterclockwise until you feel the bowl detach, then lift. When you're ready to start mixing, attach the beater by first turning the speed control knob to off and unplug the power supply. Raise the tilt head into an upright position and simply slip the beater onto the shaft. Press upward as far as you can, then turn right to secure the beater on the beater pin. This process is the same whether you're attaching a flat beater, wire whip, or dough hook. To detach a beater, you'll need to turn the speed control knob to off and unplug the power supply again. Raise the tilt head, and then press the beater upward as far as you can before turning left to slip it out from the securing pin within the shaft. Now you can gently pull the beater out from the beater shaft. Again, this process remains the same for detaching a flat beater, wire whip, or dough hook.